How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is mail call, shout out, and new project on the bench. Before we get this video started, I want to thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. This channel never asks you for a dime. I don't do the want money for PayPal, Patreon, whatever all this stuff is. I don't know. I don't do it. I don't do Twitters and all that crap. Right here on YouTube is the only place you'll find me. And this community is a awesome community. I've said it I don't know how many times. I mean, guys, it is great. And if I mention anybody in my videos, I always leave a link below the video in the description area, and I always have a link to their channels, and I always leave my Gmail in there too if you need to get a hold of me for any reason. But let's start this off. I got a Christmas card, another Christmas card in the mail. Got it the other day, but hadn't had time to make the video, and it's from my brother from another mother, Mr. Justin Hart, J Hart Models. And y'all know him. Oh my God, he just lives south of me down in Texas, probably about 5 hours away. He is such a great friend, such a great guy, and my God, he is one heck of a model builder. Thank you, Justin, for the Christmas card. Yeah, I haven't sent out Christmas cards this year, but hopefully next year I'll get everybody Christmas cards out. But y'all know my situation this year. It's been kind of rough. So, yeah. All right, then. We love you, Justin. Love you, brother. Appreciate you. Appreciate everything you always do for me. Even though I can't never seem to repay you, buddy. But I love you, bud. And thank you. And, guys, this guy, he is one of the most detail-oriented guys you'll ever meet. This guy, his attention to detail is just by far none other. I mean, he ought to be building models for Hero Boy or Model Factory Hero and people like that. I mean, his attention to detail is just awesome. Alpha Models, y'all better hear. Get out there and sponsor him. Do something. He is like amazing. All right, guys. Love you. All right, thank you, Justin. All right. And then I gotta thank my buddy Kyle. Oh my God, he went above and beyond himself. Mr. Kyle D. Hart at RKD Scale Works. Here is his shop card, and there will be a link below for him. This is his shop card, and he sent out his special shop card that Manny made right here. And he gave that one to me, and look at his kitty cat on there. Kyle, we love you too, brother. I mean, my God. Well, as you can see right here, y'all remember Kyle building that on his channel? There will be a link below. Go subscribe to Kyle and check him out. Well, you know, I did a comment on his video one day, and I said, Kyle, I love that Audi. I said, I've got to get me one of them to go with my Audi that I got. It's not built. It's to me a stock version Audi. And I said, I've been wanting the rally car. I just hadn't got around to getting one. But I said, man, I absolutely love your build. It is amazing. Well, lo and behold, what did he do? He sent it to me. And guys, I don't really have to show you this one because you need to go check his video out of him building it. This is his, but it's going to be on my display shelf along with all my other stuff. And when I get that other Audi built, I will have a video with them together. But I haven't got it built yet, but it will be coming soon. But I had so many other things on the bench and everything going on, and the motorcycle group builds coming up and stuff, that it's going to be a little bit out, but I will get to it. And when I do, then I will show you this and it together. But if you really want to see this one, you go check his channel out. Go check out Kyle D. Hart at RKD Scale Works. He is a fine young man. He knows his way around the cars. You know, he's new to YouTube. Get over there, show your love and support. Get that brother up to 1,000 or more. I mean, he is that good. He is a great builder and a true guy. Just to send you a model just because you commented and you liked it, and he just sent it to me. I mean, you know, that's amazing. He said he thought it looked better sitting on my shelf. Well, I don't know about that, but I appreciate it. I do appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you. I appreciate our talks. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right. And in front of you right here is my new project. It is a builder kit. It is a vintage AMT annual kit 1960 Ford Falcon. Okay. And I'm going to shut up, turn you around, and show you what I've started on it. Here it is, guys. This is a 1960 Ford Falcon. The only thing painted on it was the top, and I haven't got it stripped yet because I'm doing all the mocking up and everything. This was a promo style with the screw bottom. As you can see right there, screw bottoms. All this was all plastic right here. It had the little engine plate and all. I cut it all out. Cut every bit of that out. I stole the this out of the Falcon Ranchero. The what do you call that, firewall, bulkhead, what do you want to call it, out of the Falcon Ranchero. I'm making these supports right here. Scribing the door lines. I filled in these holes right here that had spotlights or something on it. You can see back here, I've tore it all apart. Here's the hood. You can see where I filled in spots. Got some more sanding to do where it had some stupid custom whatever on it. And I've got it all sanded down here and all the stuff. That's where the screw support things would have been because it was like a promo style. I will be running the dog dish hubcaps right there, as you see, with the stock wheels, with the hubcaps and the little white wall tires. And then I took and went to the parts box and found me a column shift. I drilled a hole through it, cut it off, drilled a hole through it. So I got my automatic shifter and my blinker right there to go onto the dash. You can see right here I had a shifter in the floor. I took that out. I'll have to fill that hole. Let's see. Whoop. Here is the resin cast Maverick engine out of the Johan Maverick. It's a Ford 6-cylinder. I drilled a hole through it to run the metal axle through. It's still going to have a metal axle. I got to clean it all up, do some painting on it. Here is my breather. It's going to sit on top of the carburetor just like that. I will wire it, plumb it, heater hoses, the whole 9 yards. It's all going to be done, guys. And then it'll all get painted up right and everything. So there's that. Yeah, that's my net. And it'll have the hood hinges on it. Of course, I'm not the best at making hood hinges. It'll probably look like crap, but it'll be all right. And I'm thinking about going with either a baby blue or a seafoam green color with it. It's just going to be a bone stock, pretty car. I'm going to weather it up underneath just like I did Donnie Yager's truck and his Comet. Then I have another builder here. This one here is a 1962, which I'm not going to touch this one right now. Look, it's used a marker all over it. This one here is probably going to wind up being a gasser. When I get done with this one, yeah, this one here will be a gasser. I'll have to rebuild the posts that go right here. They were broke off, which was nothing to do. It'd be easy to build back. You can see it's got the old felt in there. It was an old model kit. I don't have the box for this one. 2 different sets of wheels on it. And it's got the different trim on it and stuff like that. But this one here, this is going to be a later project, different hood. Has these little things right here. It's just a different, like I said, this is probably going to be a gasser later on, but this one right here is my one I'm doing. This is what I'm starting. And yeah, I think that's about it. Here are the original wheels that come with it, but those aren't going back on. Like I said, it's going to be the dog dish hubcaps. I robbed the new chrome out of the Ranchero, so the new chrome and headlight buckets, all that crap will go in it. And yeah, so that's my project, guys. Please check out anybody I'd mentioned. Kyle Dehart at sorry, my throat is bothering me. I don't know if I'm coming down with something or what, but RKD Scale Works and Justin J Hart Model Works. All right, guys, love you. Bye.